Hi everyone, I hope you're good guys and welcome to a new video. So today I'm gonna show you my new Ableton Live Effect Rack, which is basically a kind of multi-effects rack where you can quickly change between different type of distortion, different type of phaser, different type of reverb, all combine them together to quickly have a nice effect chain and bring life to your sound. So let's have a look inside Ableton what it looks like. So this is the final rack and I color code for each type of effect. So you can see you have distortion, you have filter, you have phaser, which is also a flanger, you have chorus, spectral device, delay, and reverb. And for each device, you have type and amount, so you can control. I have this basic sine wave. You can adjust the amount of the effect, so here the distortion effect. So for the distortion, I try to gain compensate so you don't get crazy levels, but then you can switch between different type of distortion. So for each device, you have 8 different presets, so from 0 to 7. And for each preset, I try to have something sonically different. So the next one is filter type. It's basically different kind of EQ, which gonna filter your sound in a weird way. And then you have some phaser flanger effect. So I've had some weird one as well sometimes in the middle. Just to have something a bit different as well, not only stay in the classic way. Then you can have some chorus. So 3 and 4 are vibrato, so you cannot control the amount. With a faster vibrato on 4, and then back to your more classic chorus. Then let's move into the spectral effect. So this is spectral resonator and spectral time, so you can expect some very weird stuff from this one. Then let's go into delay. So set the amount, and you have different delay type. So this one, it's a kind of a metallic effect. You need to move the dry wet amount to kind of get different tone. It's at 100% already. Then you have so you have some more like dub filter delay as well, but you cannot really hear it with the sine wave, but yeah. And then finally you have reverb. So for reverb you have 3 parameters. This time you have reverb amount, the reverb time, and the reverb type. So it's different type of reverb, but I wanted to leave the reverb time as well to be able to adjust the way you want. Shimmer. So obviously here they all sound very long because I didn't move the decay time between them, but obviously you can make them way much more shorter if you want. Alright, and then you can just combine the way you want. You don't need to use all of the effects together. Sometimes you might just want to use some distortion with delay and reverb. Sometimes you want maybe add a bit of distortion, bit of delay maybe. See here, it's a filter delay. And maybe add a so you can really get quick result. It works with synth, lead, you can work with drum as well. It's really nice to have some weird effect. And the cool thing as well with Live 11, you can just now play random and you will have like some weird effects. So then once you have one you like, don't forget you can save. I've saved some couple of presets as well here where you can play with. Now if you want to go further and appropriate yourself, what you can do obviously first is change the order of the effect. So you can see it's rack in rack. It can be great to experiment. It's, let's say you want to have your reverb first, like I don't know, just to change weird thing. You can totally and you can reorganize, you can change the preset inside. So I'm not gonna explain how I made the rack because I already made a video about how to create this type of rack, but you can easily replace with your own preset. And I will put the link in the description where you can go and check out, and I show exactly how to do that. And yeah, I just add the limiter because sometimes it gets crazy with some of the weird effects, so it's just to avoid blowing your speaker or your ears. But yeah, that's pretty much it. As usual, the rack is available for free, the link in the description. It's for Live 11 only because I used the last Ableton Live device. If you have Ableton Live 10, I will put the link in the description where I have the Live 10 version. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before to grab the rack for free, link in the description. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you soon. Bye bye.